Today, we pit the reigning Continental WinterContact TS 870p against Michelin's new Alpine 7. Europe's trusted champion faces a bold newcomer, snow, wet and dry in one fierce winter battle. Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are shown in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870p set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the Michelin tested 2025 winter tire test. In wet braking, Continental stops 1.6 meters shorter, a 5% advantage. In wet handling, it also leads by 0.3 points, or 1%. For aquaplaning, Alpine 7 edges ahead by only 0.3 km per hour, essentially equal. The clear message: Continental dominates in braking and handling, while Michelin keeps things level in aquaplaning. Michelin strikes back on snow, braking 0.1 meters shorter, under 1%. Snow handling favors the TS 870p by 0.2 points, or 1%. But in traction, Michelin pulls 114 newtons stronger, about a 5% advantage. The extra pull makes a difference on loose snow and climbs. On dry roads, Continental reassert dominance, braking 1.5 meters shorter, 4% better. Dry handling shows a 0.7 point or 3% edge. The TS 870p proves why it's the benchmark. Noise and comfort are close. Michelin is 0.3 points quieter inside, about a 2% advantage. Continental rides slightly better by 0.1 points, nearly equal. Both offer a refined ride. When it comes to fuel efficiency, Continental measures slightly higher, giving Michelin a 0.1 Newton per kilonewton or 1% lower rolling resistance, a small efficiency edge. In the size 215/55R17, the Alpine 7 is 3% more expensive than the TS 870p. In summary, the Continental WinterContact TS 870p remains the reference point with strong wet and dry dominance, giving drivers confidence on clear or rainy roads. On the other hand, the Michelin Alpine 7 makes an impressive debut, showing real strength in snow, quieter performance, and slightly lower rolling resistance.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.